Preserve the freshness of summer with this guide on canning green beans at home. Start by selecting fresh, crisp green beans. Wash them thoroughly and trim the ends. If desired, cut the beans into smaller pieces. Sterilize your canning jars and lids by boiling them in water for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, blanch the green beans in boiling water for 3 minutes. Then immediately plunge them into ice water to stop the cooking process. Tack the green beans into the jars, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Add a teaspoon of salt to each jar, if desired, for flavor. Fill the jars with boiling water, again leaving 1 inch of headspace. Remove air bubbles by gently tapping the jars. Wipe the rims clean, place the lids on, and screw the bands on finger tight. Process the jars in a boiling water canner for 20 minutes. Remove the jars and let them cool. Check the seals, and store the jars in a cool, dark place. Enjoy your home canned green beans all year round.